Oh hell no!
Guys, should I be worried? Their heads are literally off. I'm going on a hike that way till we get to the Redcave.
A few moments later.
Guys, we're using the map. Apparently the place is like, so I didn't even tell you guys where I was going. We're going to Redcave, okay? I'm going to put pictures of the place, and yeah, we saw the place and it was really nice. I'm excited to head there since, you know, we're adventurous. Anyway, so hey guys, you won't believe it. First off, we are going in the exact opposite direction. Like, we're literally, the map was saying go this way, we're going in the other way. We didn't realize like 10 minutes. And then something was just telling me, I was just like, wait, let me check this map again. So we checked and we realized that we're going in the opposite direction. So we had to then turn around, and now we're not heading hopefully in the right direction. But it's a complicated route, guys. I don't know. It's like in the middle of nowhere. But we're moving. Guys, hopefully we don't get lost, okay? If we get lost, at least I have it documented. People help me find my way back. And the hiking is, I guess it's the workout that I need though. So that's one of the locations we passed, and now we have to hike up the mountain, about 10 minutes hike to get to the Red Cave. I'm already exhausted, guys, but we're doing this. Let's go.
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life.
Many minutes later.
Guys, so we're 5 minutes to the location right now, and we just met some people that are coming from the location, and then they told us that the Red Cave entrance is closed. And now, I think we're not already tired, but now it just killed our vibe. It's like we're almost there, and then we got the news that the place is closed up. Making us sad. Amita, how do you feel? You feel sad and tired? Oh my god, but we're still heading there because there's a waterfall by the side or on the way. Right. Our energies. Now our energy, so we're trying to, when it was 30 minutes, we were like hyped that okay, we're almost there. And now we're almost there. We say it's close, so it's like our vibes already down, but we're still going. Maybe we'll see some nice places to take photos and stuff. Oh, I see the waterfall. It's there. Almost there. You guys can see it, but okay. She wants us to go back since we've already seen the waterfall already. Oh my god. Oh, we're still going. Shit, guys, so we just got to the crossroad. So there is a signpost there that says this way to the waterfall, this way to the Red Cave, but then on the post is a sign that says the cave is closed. So it's like we're planning to just go to at least the entrance of the cave just to take pictures or something, but we might still end up just venturing there just to get as close to the cave as we can. But now I don't know if we should go to waterfall or not. I mean, what should we do? Should we go to waterfall first, or we should go to the cave and just at least to the entrance, and then we'll come to waterfall and come back? So we'll go to the cave at least to see how close enough we can get there, and then we'll see basically. I see the nice cave that we missed out on. See how nice it is. This is us now, guys. Amita taking a break on the path because I don't come and kill ourselves. Almost there, but people are coming. Someone is coming. Someone is coming from the back. It's not easy, guys. I did. I go. I think so. This is workout on its own already, guys, and we're already tired. This is our mood right now. Everything. Amita. Oh my god, but the view here is quite nice though. Let me see. Yeah, nice. Camera is not doing justice, but it's quite nice. The view. Almost there's about 1 minute or 2 minutes more, but it feels like forever. that, guys. And then the cave goes all the way. There's another exit there, and this is further into the cave. Wow. Guys! Woo! Finally got to the waterfall, guys. It's so nice. At least we got to something. It's not a Redcave, but it's also quite nice, guys. Like you can, if you stand over there, the water will literally be, oh my god. I don't want to go closer to my phone. Oh my god. Anyway, guys, this is going to be the end, I guess, because this is the only location that we're going to be going to since the Redcave is closed. I don't know if you guys can hear me over the waterfall, but anyway, we are here, guys, mission accomplished. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and catch you guys next time. Bye.